Discover the Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus HP brushless rotary tool, a powerful and versatile tool for a range of tasks including sanding, cutting, polishing, and engraving. Featuring a brushless motor, it offers extended runtime and corded performance with up to 2 times more power under load. The variable speed dial allows you to select speeds from 1,000 to 25,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring precise control. Swapping accessories is a breeze thanks to the quick change collet, and the included 36-inch flexible shaft enhances versatility. Compatible with all Ryobi 18-volt batteries, this rotary tool is a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and professionals seeking power, versatility, and ease of use. Elevate your projects with the Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus HP brushless rotary tool. Introducing the Ryobi tow-behind dump cart, a versatile hauling and towing solution. With a towing capacity of 500 pounds and a 7.5 cubic feet bed, it effortlessly transports mulch, soil, and other materials. Attach it to your riding mower for easy load transportation. The 180-degree pivoting feature allows precise dumping to the left, right, or rear. Built with a durable steel frame and equipped with all-terrain tires, it handles tough jobs with ease. Emptying is quick and convenient with the 180-degree pivoting base and quick-release latch. The universal hitch pin fits most riding mowers, ensuring easy attachment. Additionally, the integrated stake extension slots enable customization based on your specific needs. Experience streamlined hauling convenience with the Ryobi tow-behind dump cart. The Ryobi 40-volt HP brushless 18 inches rear teen tiller. It is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly tool designed to meet all your gardening needs. Equipped with dual brushless motors, this tiller delivers increased power and efficiency, enabling you to tackle various tasks with ease. The counter-rotating tines ensure thorough soil aeration and optimal mixing for improved plant growth. With a variable speed drive and depth stake, you have precise control over the tilling depth, allowing for customized results. Assembling the tiller is a breeze, and its lightweight and portable design make it effortless to maneuver across your garden. The Ryobi 12 inches electric surface cleaner, a powerful and efficient solution designed to transform your outdoor cleaning experience. This surface cleaner is the perfect tool for tackling driveways, patios, and sidewalks with ease. Simply attach it to most electric pressure washers and experience the impressive cleaning power of its rotating jets, delivering a streak-free finish. The lightweight and maneuverable design of this surface cleaner surpasses standard nozzles, making it effortless to navigate and clean large areas in no time. With its 12-inch cleaning path, you can achieve comprehensive coverage and remarkable results. Built with durability in mind, the Ryobi 12 inches electric surface cleaner ensures long-lasting performance. Introducing the Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus 120-watt power source with 12V outlet, the ultimate solution for powering your 12V devices on the go. With its 120-watt continuous output, it provides reliable power to keep your small devices such as fans, lights, and radios running smoothly. Compatible with any 18V Ryobi battery, it offers versatility and convenience. The lightweight and compact design make it easy to transport and use wherever you need it. Equipped with a 12V DC power outlet and a built-in LED light, it ensures efficient and convenient operation. Experience the benefits of portability, versatility, durability, and affordability with the Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus 120-watt power source with 12V outlet. Empower your mobile devices with ease and reliability. Introducing the Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus HP brushless Whisper Series 20 inches self-propelled mower, a powerful and quiet lawn care solution for small to medium-sized yards. With its brushless motor and Whisper Series design, it offers enhanced power, extended runtime, and noise reduction. The 20 inches cutting width and self-propelled feature ensure efficient operation, while the 7-position height adjustment allows for customized mowing. Choose between mulching, bagging, or side discharge options for versatility. Easy to assemble and backed by a 3-year warranty, this mower guarantees convenience and peace of mind. Elevate your lawn care routine with the Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus HP brushless Whisper Series 20 inches self-propelled mower. Introducing the Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus HP brushless Whisper Series hedge trimmer, a powerful and quiet solution for all your hedge trimming needs. With its brushless motor and Whisper Series design, it offers increased power, extended runtime, and noise reduction. The 24 inches cutting length ensures efficient and precise trimming, while the dual-action blades deliver smooth and even cuts. The wraparound handle provides comfort during operation, and the adjustable head allows for precise trimming angles. Easy to assemble and backed by a 3-year warranty, this hedge trimmer guarantees convenience and reliability. Elevate your landscaping with the Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus HP brushless Whisper Series hedge trimmer. The Ryobi 3000 PSI electric pressure washer, the perfect choice for homeowners seeking a powerful and versatile cleaning solution. With its maximum pressure of 3000 psi and 1.1 GPM flow rate, it effortlessly tackles various surfaces around the house, from driveways and sidewalks to patios and cars. The brushless motor ensures longer runtime and increased power for efficient cleaning. Experience precise control with the variable speed trigger, while the 5-in-1 nozzle allows customization for different tasks. The lightweight and compact design makes it easy to transport, and its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Enjoy the benefits of power, versatility, ease of use, and affordability with the Ryobi 3000 PSI electric pressure washer. Backed by a 3-year warranty, it guarantees reliable performance for all your cleaning needs. Introducing the Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus 24Q hybrid power cooler, a portable and versatile companion for outdoor enthusiasts. This cooler can be powered by an 18-volt 1 plus battery, a 120-volt outlet, or 12-volt car outlet, providing flexibility on the go. With a 24-quart capacity, it can hold up to 40 12-oz cans, ensuring ample refreshments. It features a built-in bottle opener and a USB port for device charging. Crafted with durable construction, this cooler is ready for rugged adventures. Elevate your outdoor experience with the Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus 24Q hybrid power cooler. The Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus submersible water transfer pump, a portable and versatile solution for all your water pumping needs. Powered by an 18-volt 1 plus battery, it offers convenience and flexibility. With a flow rate of up to 20 gallons per minute, it efficiently transfers water or drains flooded areas. Submersible up to 5 feet and with a 23-foot head height, it delivers impressive performance. The 3-mode automatic shutoff timer, integrated strainer, and removable base plate enhance usability. Experience portability, versatility, and reliability with the Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus submersible water transfer pump. Thanks for watching our video on top tech tools. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content like this.